Okay, so we are into tutorial number 2. This is specifically for the PC. Again, this is just one way of doing things. Um, this video presupposes that you already have a program called Batch PDF installed on your computer. I can upload a separate video on how to do that. Unfortunate thing about the PC is there is no free available PDF editing software like there is on the Mac. And so you can buy this program for about $20. However, they do offer educational discounts too if you contact them, so that's something you might want to look into. Okay, but anyway, let's get started. We have here our, it's going to be more or less the same idea as the Mac demonstration. So you can see again on the desktop we've got three different folders. We've got the ePortfolio, we've got the active lesson plans, and complete lesson plans. Okay, so click on ePortfolio. Again, we have our math unit here in Word. So what we want to do is click on the math unit. Okay, so here's my math unit, and so I've made all the adjustments to that unit that I wanted to make, and I've saved it in Word. And now what I want to do is publish it to a PDF file. So quite simple, just go to Save As, go into PDF or XP, Save As, and so publish copy of the document in PDF or XPS one as a PDF. So there you go, save type as PDF. Let's go straight into where we were before. So standard size, publish. Okay, now we should be able to exit this. And if we look here, the math unit is now displayed in the same folder. And I'm assuming most people use Adobe, which again is a good program, but it doesn't allow you to edit. Anyway, if you click on the unit, you'll see that it is, in fact, a PDF file. Again, it looks streamlined, nice. Okay, so close that up. And we'll go ahead and save this now. Okay, now we want to go into our active lesson plans. Get in here. Okay, and this time, again, this is not for my upcoming semester display. This time, let's go to fractions 1. Here, so this is my computer, so I'm not. It looks like here I've already put some post reflections in. So let's say for this purpose that I've gone through this lesson, taught it, and I've made whatever reflections I want to make. And so I'm ready to save it. So I save it as a Word file. And then I want to publish it as a PDF file. So same thing, go to Save As, PDF. And this time, we want to save it into not active lesson plans, but complete lesson plans. By the way, this is Windows 7, but it should be more or less similar on XP and Vista as we have. So we'll go ahead and we'll save a PDF file and be published. Or sorry, in completed lesson plans. So we quit Word because we don't need it anymore, and we can go ahead and shut down lesson plans. Let's bring up the complete lesson plan. So there's one in there now. That's fractions. So now we have two PDF documents, right? What do we do? It would be nice if I could just drag and drop like I did with preview in the other one, but that's not an option. Okay, so that's where this other program comes in handy, called Batch PDF. Okay? So here you go. More or less you do the same thing. Drag the main file over to here. Drag the file you want to add here. So what's going to happen is this fraction unit or fraction page PDF file is just going to be tacked on to the rest of my PDF. file, math unit. And so I click here on merge, preparing. Okay, and it's going to come in with the title of my merge, so I'm going to change that to, so it's math unit. Okay, and so it's going to be saved on my desktop. Okay, so this is still in trial mode, which is good because I didn't pay for it. And I think you get a few trials before you actually have to buy the program, which is nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close this down now. Open. That. And there we go. So we have the file. So we have the same file here. It's a PDF file. If you scroll down, it's got everything that the original one had. Plus, at the very end, you should find, and yes you do, find the lesson plan that I've added. So you can continually do this throughout the semester as you finish your lesson plans and then want to add them to your document. And then what you do is you just hyperlink that to your ePortfolio, and that is your certification. So again, there may be other ways of doing this. This is my recommendation for PC users.